We talked the last time adding the shapes inside in the PowerPoint. So this time there's specific uses as well for the shapes in PowerPoint, and that is to make some flowcharts. So as we know, flowcharts, when we design flowcharts, they're used to explain process and as well as or it's a diagram. Okay. So how can we use the shapes into creating some flowcharts? Okay. So we know that there's a specific application that makes flowcharts. We can use the visual, so they also do that, and as well other applications. But in PowerPoint, you can also design flowcharts, and to do that, let's say here. So I'm going to make layout which is blank, and so we go to insert, and if we go down here, there is the flowchart and all the symbols that we use in making flowcharts. So usually we begin with a start. So we just put it in. Inside the shapes, you can write something. They're not just about shapes. So we can insert some text. So to insert text, you just double click on it, and automatically the blinking cursor will appear, and that you can write on it. So let's say start. And then, still, let's say we add some process, and that would be the square. And here we can say that this is process number 1. And then we can also include very specific what on it here. And we have, if you'd like to decide, then we use the decision. Here. So is the statement true? And if it is, then we can make or insert another process that comes here. Or maybe if not, then we can copy the same thing. I just duplicate it and do process 2 or process 3, and at the end, you can adjust so they can fit into one, and also the text. And once it's finished, then it's end. So next, the important thing about flowchart as well is to make a connection. So if you click a shape, then automatically the shape format will appear. So I'll just insert shapes here and that. Here we can choose different types of lines. So we have the straight line, bi-directional, and corner arrows. So if I see here that they're just straight, so each time you connect a line, then automatically this green corners will get activated, and that they are connected. So no matter how you move it, as long as you put them here, then they're automatically. And you can adjust how thick the shape, the line in here. So let's make it thicker so it's more obvious. And you can change as well the colors in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to duplicate, or you can keep on adding here. So I just want to make it a bit faster, so just duplicate, and adjust them that they goes to the correct connection here. And if you see that they're not straight, then you just adjust them. Automatically the guides will set you that. Also here and here. But some areas is not straight. So for example, if I use the same thing here from process 3 to end, okay, I can still do that and do it like this, but what if our end will be here, just to make it look from the start into the end. So this one looks weird, okay, though it's still okay. So in here we can make use of another connector, and that, okay, you just do that and that. Okay, we adjust the weight again and use as well. Yeah, here. So I think corner connectors are better than if you just connect it straight. So you don't have a problem if you just connect them to the green connectors. Okay, so that's how you design flowcharts. So, and you just edit what should be the text or the exact flowcharts.